shower down your presence. We respond to your grace.
See, even I forget the words sometimes.
We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want less, we want you. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want anything but you. Our beloved Jesus, we just want to see you in the glory of your light.
Think about it, earthly things.
Earthly things don't matter, they just fade and shatter when they're touched by love divine.
We won't be satisfied, Lord.
We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want fancy, we want you. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want anything but you. Our beloved Father, please come down and meet us. We are waiting on your touch. Open up your heavens, shower down your presence. We respond to your great love.
We won't be satisfied, Lord.
We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. No, we won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want fancy, we just want you. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want anything but you. Here we go, let's go to the throne, to the place where we belong, right into his arms.
Now here we belong today.
Here we go, let's go to the throne, to the place where we belong, right into his arms.
We won't be satisfied.
We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Oh, Lord. We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want fancy, we want you. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want anything but you. Here we go, let's go to the throne, to the place where we belong, right into his arms.
You want to be in his arms right now?
Here we go, let's go to the throne, to the place where we belong, right into his arms.
We won't be satisfied, Lord.
We won't be satisfied.